What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to check money balance on TikTok. So firstly, launch TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in to the correct account. Tap the Me icon at the bottom right of the screen, then this will open your profile page. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and then select Creator Tools or Balance. Here you'll see your TikTok balance including coins you've purchased, gifts you've received, and earnings from live streams or TikTok Creator Fund. Tap Balance Details to see a breakdown of your coins, gifts, and earnings. You can also withdraw your earnings to a linked account if you meet TikTok's requirements. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.